This is the Audi e-Tron GT, the sister car to the Porsche Taycan, based on the same VW Group J1 platform and containing much of the same technology. It's not the first pure electric Audi, of course, that title goes to its ever-growing lineup of e-Tron SUVs, but it's definitely the most exciting. There will be two versions of e-Tron GT, initially at least, the entry-level e-Tron GT Quattro and the full-fat RS e-Tron GT. This is also the first electric Audi to wear the RS badge. The Quattro produces 469 horsepower, or 523 horsepower for a 2.5-second boost when you engage launch control. Enough for 0 to 100 km per hour in 4.1 seconds and a top speed of 244 km per hour. The RS gets 590 horsepower or 637 horsepower on overboost, making it the most powerful RS model to date, capable of 0 to 100 km per hour in 3.3 seconds, half a second slower than the Taycan Turbo S, and 1.3 seconds slower than the new Tesla Model S, and a top speed of 249 km per hour. Rib-crushingly quick, then, just not quite as sadistic as the Porsche. Interiors have always been Audi's forte, and it's gone back to its roots with the e-Tron, combining significant screenage with actual physical buttons, and it works brilliantly. You get a 12.3-inch virtual cockpit behind the wheel, switchable between three different layouts: Classic, Sport and e-Tron. The latter maximizes all the important info on the drivetrain, perfect for anyone with chronic range anxiety. In the center of the dash is a 10-1-inch touchscreen, below which are several banks of physical switches for the aircon, heated seats, drive modes, etc. Special mention to the simple but effective lozenge-shaped gear selector, the illuminated e-Tron logo in front of the passenger, and the overall quality of materials. It's chunky metal, leather and Alcantara galore in the RS. Unless, of course, you go for one of Audi's on-trend leather-free options with artificial hide, fabrics made from recycled plastic bottles and carpets made from old fishing nets. Rear visibility isn't fantastic, but the rear-facing and 360-degree camera system is, so it's never a problem.